It's a swearing-in ceremony that was hurriedly convened, and the president ended up taking his oath shortly after 6 p.m. on December 30th, 2007.
Mimi Mwai Kibaki naapa kwamba nitatenda kazi zangu za urais.
Sparking off widespread protests from the Orange Democratic Party leadership and their followers, who felt that the party's presidential candidate Raila Odinga had been robbed of victory. This will not happen again if the proposals contained in a draft bill currently before the AG becomes law. In the proposed bill, the oath should be administered to the president-elect not earlier than 10 a.m. and not later than 2 p.m. The person to administer the oath will not be the Chief Justice, as has been tradition, but the Chief Registrar in the presence of the Chief Justice, or in the absence of the Chief Justice, the Deputy Chief Justice. Thirdly, the swearing-in of the President-elect shall be conducted in a public ceremony held in the capital city, unlike the one after the 2007 election, in which a select few individuals were invited to the State House to witness the ceremony. The place and date shall be published in a gazette notice, and to crown it, that day shall be a public holiday. To begin with, the Constitution states in Article 141 that the President shall be sworn in on the first Tuesday, following the 14th day after the date of the declaration of the result of the presidential election, if no petition challenging the election of the President-elect has been filed at the Supreme Court, or the 7th day following the date on which the court renders a decision declaring the election to be valid if any petition has been filed. An ad hoc committee, to be known as the Assumption of the Office of President Committee, shall be formed and is expected to convene its first meeting at least 30 days before the date of the general election. Its core function shall be to facilitate the handing over process by the outgoing president to the president-elect, organize for the security of the president-elect, coordinate the briefings of the president-elect by relevant public officers, and facilitate communication between the outgoing president and the president-elect. The proposed bill states that upon the declaration of the final results of a presidential election by the Electoral Commission, the committee shall ensure that the president-elect is accorded adequate security and receive security briefings from the respective national security organs. And just as it was in 2002, the outgoing president shall hand over to the president instruments of power and authority, which include a sword and the Constitution, upon signing the certificate of inauguration. This, however, shall not apply where the incumbent is re-elected into office. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Live at 9.